Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and see how will you manage and migrate the data on Azure. Now think about this. You have to migrate data from your on-premises, which can be servers, databases. So Azure has got a tool called Azure Migrate, which is a unified migration platform. It has got different tools available and it assesses your data, how exactly to migrate. Now think about this. If you have got a lot of data, then there are different options available, like you have 35 TB data box available, then you have got a 80 TB data box, and then you have a 800 TB, which is only in US. So typically it will protect your data in a rugged case. You can migrate out of Azure for compliance and regulatory reasons, and you can migrate data to Azure from any of the remote location. Now, if you see over here, what I have done is that I have gone ahead and open Azure Migrate tool, and you can see that it goes ahead and supports virtual machines from VMware, from Hyper-V. You can go ahead and select any of the other SQL servers. On the left-hand side, you can see there is an option called Server and Database, and that's where you can go ahead and create a particular project and add your servers or databases, and it will go ahead and find out how much data you need to go ahead and migrate. Once that particular thing is decided, then you need to go ahead and search for the Azure data box, I would say. There you go. So you have to search for the data box, and you will see that Azure data box option is available in the marketplace. And once it opens that particular Azure data box, you will see all the different options which are available. You'll have to select your subscription, then you'll have to select from which resource group you want to go ahead and transfer the data. So I'm just selecting AZ-104, and then it will ask you from which particular region or which particular country you want to go ahead and migrate the data to which particular country. I'm just selecting some random places, and now you will see that there you go. You can see the 35 TB data box, you can see the 80 TB data box, and you can see the 800 TB data box. Other thing which comes is now your data is transferred. How will you manage the data? So you have Azure Storage Explorer, which is exactly like your Windows Explorer. You can go ahead and drag and drop. It works with Windows, Mac, and Linux. In the backend, it goes ahead and uses a command called AZ copy. So that is also one of the things. So if you are aware of the AZ copy command, you can just go ahead and use the command line if you are more interested in that. And typically in the backend, it keeps on syncing your data to and fro. Basically, your Azure file sync, which comes into picture. Thank you.